Fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, may Edoche enemy don't they fight themselves. All the evil way they do for me Edoche back, very soon they go confess and come aside. In short, Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water, don't they give us some details when they shock us. Wonder they say shall never end. May Edoche go just sit down one place now. They sip her wine. They give God the glory. All the evil they planned against this woman. I tell you now, say now this social media, now all of them for go expose themselves. Juju Ekwensu have come to drag you Papa Pete Edoche. Juju Ekwensu is angry with Papa Yo and not Yo. She say she not the verse for Yo. She say na Papa Yo. Now she the verse for. As it is now, she is ready to give it to that man. Hey, according to Juju Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water, she say na aura for aura. She is ready for grandpapa. She has kept too much silence. That's why they take her for granted. She said she can take anything from Yo, but from the family of Yo, he said na lie. Say enough is enough. So yesterday, Juju Ekwensu posted her son when they call Pupu. That video when Juju Ekwensu post about her son is to pass a message to Yo. Because according to what we hear, since when Yo grant interview enters, Yo never carry phone call Juju Ekwensu say, hello, how you doing? My baby, my sweetheart. For where? For where? Juju Ekwensu never hear hello. Juju Ekwensu go call. This man no go pick. She go send message, send. Yo not the reply message. Now Juju Ekwensu decide to use the son to draw the attention of Yo. Remember, say, na pregnancy, na Yo. And the same pregnancy children, now she still they use, they call Yo attention. And there is a reason for this thing, oh. Make una take una title listen to this video. Hey, it's many tori wey Juju Ekwensu exposed by people. So, according to Juju Ekwensu, she have to post this video to draw the attention of Yo. Yo not the pick a call. Yo not call her. Yo not reply a text message. She have to use Pupu to draw the attention of Yo. After she post this video yesterday, let me shock you. Yo did not like the video. Now people come they call Yo say, Yo, Pupu don't big go. We see Pupu for Juju Ekwensu page. Your son don't grow. Nah. That boy don't grow. As he can't tell you, they can't tell you like that. Now you can't go Juju Ekwensu page. You can't say Juju Ekwensu post Pupu. Now you can't like her. You know, say himself, he like attention. Juju Ekwensu, you can't like the video. Juju Ekwensu now the verse. Say they don't finally find out the reason why you they misbehave. Remember, we self we don't they ask questions, say, wetin can they happen? Because the last time when we check, now Juju Ekwensu lock you for inside bottle. How come the man wey they lock for inside bottle can they treat Juju Ekwensu bad? Wetin can they happen? At the very beginning, it was not like this. Yo was under them. Like they control this man. They press on like remote control. Automatically, you just can't get voice. Can't they talk? Come out for social media. You not even do that one. Can't even they date Golden Lizzie publicly. Like even if they not tell us say that they date, we can see that they are dating secretly one for that matter. So all these things were happening. We self they ask questions, say, I been at Juju, now you use charm for Juju Ekwensu. Because at this point, we not can understand. Juju Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water, can they act like person where they use charm on. Even everything where you go do, she go still come and respect your husband. Is a marriage of a decay. After you don't insult them. After you don't come out publicly, yab women, talk bad, talk down on women. You go see Juju Ekwensu still come out. Respect your husband. Worship him. He is the grand you march. He is the crown on your head. Juju Ekwesu will still come dey talk. We come dey ask question. Are you sure this woman is okay? Abi na this woman they can't use charm for? Because we not can understand wetin dey happen. Juju Ekwesu say they don't finally see where the problem for the come. Juju Ekwesu say they don't finally see where the whole problem for the come. Before I go into the details, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. And to all my wonderful and amazing subscribers, I want to say I love you all. May God bless you all. My lovely fans, not be smart, you know. Hey. According to Juju Ekwesu, she said they thought that Mie Edochie was their problem. He said they couldn't use charm, they follow Mie Edochie. They couldn't do Mie Edochie. As they do Mie Edochie reach, everything they backfire back to her. He said, Golden Lizzie constantly enter. As Golden Lizzie constantly enter, they can't say Golden Lizzie now be the problem now. They can't face Golden Lizzie. He said they can't throw arrow. They give Golden Lizzie. See me Golden Lizzie run. The more they throw arrow, the more the next day they'll see you don't post a movie, poster, they are together in one place. So the whole thing what they do, you know, they work. She said they continue to they waste their money, waste their time. They throw arrow, they hammer me, Edochie enemy, hammer Golden Lizzie. So she said while they were busy throwing all this arrow, they never know that their problem is far, far from these people. So according to Juju Ekwesu, he said this whole thing started after you come back from that. After you come back from that interview. The charm when you put for neck, my papa give up. And you has refused to remove that charm. The charm when papa give up, now this man still they carry the waka. So according to Juju Ekwesu, he say everything when they tell you, he said they tell you to remove that charm, you refuse. All the charm when they tell you say na protection, when they give you don't throw away or you know they use anyone for Juju Ekwesu again. Now the one way papa give her, now you can't use. Then you know say papa don't do different things on you. So now that red charm, if I watch my video yesterday, when I go see how day for there, one red charm when you put for neck. Now they can't no say if papa they do charm for you. So they wanted to remove that charm from you refuse. They did say you remove her. Juju Ekwesu say it say remove her. But they can't find out say you not remove that charm. And then they can't say papa they work for this man. So Juju Ekwesu mama and the sister now you say they not get work. They are working as a wine. They can't go do some kind of burukere waka. They can't tell they say the problem of you na i papa. Say every charm wey Juju Ekwesu they do. Say na grandpapa Pete na they spoil all. Say that man won't take back his son from una. Say the man don't start to work. Don't start to the work for una head. You know, say your daughter don't change to mumu. Hey. They say na papa na he turn you out. This man go treat your daughter to the extent only she go use shame take come for them. He said the papa of you, the papa of this your daughter husband, whether they call you, that is Grandpapa Pete Edochie. They say the man they work seriously. Because at this point, the man don't say and say your daughter not get anything we want for his son. Only shame and disgrace. They don't tire for your daughter. The only thing she know how to do now born pikin. No plan, nothing. Instead, the old man is losing money, is losing property, is losing everything. Why the other woman from the other side? She's successful and from a very rich family. He said the man want to attach to this lady because of that family. He said a lot of people do not, the man say because that family, they carry weight. Not just the woman, but the family she came from, they carry weight. Money they there. This man no one let's go. They tell Juju Ekwesu, mama and the sister say, at the very beginning, they think say you don't accumulate all the weight to himself. So that's why they brought Juju Ekwesu to remove Mie Edochie, make them carry the weight. Unfortunately, you think that he was dealing with a mumu woman because the woman really loved him, but the woman loved him with brain. So at the end of the day, you did not see a name in any of this property. That means they lose. Now, this man, the plan was that they will put Juju Ekwesu, they use Juju Ekwesu to chase me Edochie, make them for carry property. But as it no work, they need that woman. They need that woman. So now they say Juju Ekwesu, your daughter, you don't get anything to offer. The mission where they send her going not work, they won't remove her. In short, they are doing it now. Very soon your daughter will run come off for there. It will be so hot and tough for her. Now they tell the mama Juju Ekwesu say, just the way they bring Juju Ekwesu in to chase me Edochie. Now so they bring Lizzie Gold now to chase Juju Ekwesu. When she tire, only she go carry her bag. She go come out for the marriage. She go come out for yo house. So they say now Grandpapa Pete. Now they under the table, they operate on everything when it happen. They say don't carry his son, go somewhere. Go bath those charms when Juju Ekwesu take time. They say now make this man feel they come aside. They talk the way they talk. Now Juju Ekwesu mama say he talk am. He go dey talk say this man change, this man change. They say now the papa don't carry pikin go somewhere. All those charms when Juju Ekwesu grandmother mark for your body, they don't remove them. You know, say those charms where they mark for body. Hey, those charms na fire. You see, if you won't really do charm, you won't really do charm. Person tell you say take rub. That rub boy go work, he go expire. You see that one where they cut for body, where they mark for body. Hey. Now that one be it take a witch. It take a witch to fight another witch. That be that mark where they mark for body. Because that one it's like they go and join the person generation. That one they go straight, float straight into that person. So all the mark where they mark you in the name of you will become the president of Nigeria, not knowing that all those mark was to tie him down. All those mark was for them to use him. So Grandpapa Pete now don't carry you go bath all those things come up for your body. Now I make you they feel they talk. Una don't see you they talk like this before. Una don't see you they challenge Juju Ekwesu. And the Juju Ekwesu no know. All these things happened for their back. They were busy fighting Godi Lizzie, fighting me Edochie. They never knew that their real enemy is that same person that brought her into the house. Now they call them Mama Juju Ekwesu say as it is now. That man won't chase your daughter come off for there. They won't pursue her. They don't need that again. That man need that woman. That man need his son real wife. Because that man don't want to leave that family. It's not about the woman. It's about the family. It's about the family. That family give her a lot of legacy. Say that man don't want to let go. Yay! My lovely fans. Juju Ekwesu say na Grandpapa Pete Edochie na be problem. He said na he don't turn yo. He don't turn her. He say he dey talk her. Everything way they do. If you come, he go breastfeed you. Go breastfeed her. That breastfeeding, it is kind of physical breastfeeding, but spiritually, she dey feed you with spiritual food. We go make her hungry, run back to her. She say no work. He say go dey call you know the pick a call. He said this man changed totally. He said sometimes now she go buy ticket go Asaba. With beg she go beg to go Asaba to see you. Juju Ekwesu say they tell her say the only way when you fit draw attention of you now are these children. Because the charm what Juju Ekwesu do for these children, Grandpapa no know that one. Because now Juju Ekwesu and her family, now Grandpapa attack. You know, say these people, now they walk against his son. But you don't know, say these children with Juju Ekwesu born, these children are also on a mission. Now, these children with Juju Ekwesu born, you never valued them. Yes. When Juju Ekwesu born Stadike, you tell Juju Ekwesu say he don't get children. He don't get children. This one is a secret. This child cannot come and destroy him, destroy his family. That's why it was difficult before Yoyo presented Juju Ekwensu. Yoyo rejected her, rejected Pupu. So Juju Ekwensu and her family did a charm. The charm where they do, they turn Yoyo eye. Anytime where Yoyo see Pupu, go be like say they see, it go be like say they see Kambele Chukwu. Anytime where you see these children, it go be like say they see the other children. And that thing they take draw Yoyo attention. So they tell Juju Ekwensu for her to get the attention of Yoyo, make sure they use these children till they draw the attention of Yoyo. Because for her, even if she like, make she make up, make she dress beautiful and all, they say that thing not the work again. Grandpapa Pete don't scatter everything. Because Grandpapa Pete wants me Juju Ekwensu come out. Want me Edochie back. Yes. They want her back. Not just for me Edochie, but for that family. There is weight in that family, which Grandpapa don't want to let go. Want to attach to this family. So, my lovely fans, Juju Ekwensu say, now these children now let's make it they draw your attention. If he post these children, you're going to see these children like the other children. Once he post Pupu, you're going to see Kambele Chukwu in Pupu. If they post Pipi, you're going to see Kai in Pipi. If they post Universal Thunder, you're going to see Daniela in that child. They say now make sometimes if you want write, you go to write anyhow about those children. As if they are the only thing that happened to him. Not because he rejected, not because the other children are not important, but because Juju Ekwensu used Juju to turn your eye. Turn your eyes into accepting her by force. Into accepting these children by force. By making these children look like his other children. So Juju Ekwensu say, Grandpapa is a problem. She said she never knew that Grandpapa is the one behind Yoyo. All the insult, all the things they say Yoyo where they say they lock. Yoyo go they command them, go they talk to them here. Say Nana, eyes don't clear. She say if Grandpapa do anything to remove Yoyo from his hand, he say everywhere go scatter. He say everywhere go scatter. Say Grandpapa better return Yoyo back to where he did. He said because this game where Grandpapa won't play, he said all of them, they go regret her. My lovely fans, what do you guys think? Hey, one dash shall never end. Una see how God till they expose me Edochie enemy. All of them don't they fight themselves. They don't they fight themselves. I talk and say this yo, there is something wrong. Every day they talk. For those of you following me, I know say they talk for years. Say it be like say the cream where they give Juju Ekwensu make it take rub, go use and do soap. The soap where they give them make it rub, use and do cream. You see that I was not far from the truth. It is not that she was using the thing wrongly, but the fact is that Grandpapa have carried his son go baffam, come on clear his eye. All those juju come on for his eye. You always tell Juju Ekwensu say after divorce in the marriage Juju Ekwensu. You say no they marry. Say lie, nothing will make her marry. The man is not saying things when Juju Ekwensu not believe. And anytime when you talk all those things, Juju Ekwensu go fire Godi Lizzie. Go fire me Edochie. You go think say na those one be problem. Not knowing say wetin they find go Sokoto, they say Sokoto. They say now they come say Grandpapa Pete na be their problem. Hey, one dash shall never end. Juju Ekwensu say social media go scatter, make them not provoke her. Because she's not ready to leave you. She is not ready at all. She have come to stay. She is going nowhere. It's either they accept her or they leave you for her. He's saying she's not going anywhere. Is Juju Ekwensu saying the truth? Let me know in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.